Hello, Rob Grumpy Detailer here. I am obviously not the Grumpy Detailer, that is Paul at Valet Supplies. We'll go with that. Welcome to this is the YouTube channel, and we'll probably post this on TikTok as well. So what I want to get to today is my testing and products. My products for testing and filming have arrived today in the post. They come very quickly. That's always a good thing. So I'll show you them all. I'm going to line them up here and then we can have a little chat with them. So I want to show you the box as well. So it all came, like I say, pretty quick. Put the bottles down here. I have got 6 bottles. So like I say, they're not finally finished products, these ones. These are just for me to film and test. So don't worry about what you see. They are literally for me to film. So we'll start with the box. I think this is right cool, this. Big sticker of Grumpy Detailer on the box. I've got a lot of love for that. Massive. I love it. I love branding. The branding things. So we'll start off with the glass cleaner. They are 250ml bottles. Now again, that for me is awesome. So I can't wait to test these out. Show you guys what you're getting when you do purchase Grumpy Detailer. Now, as I've said before in videos, it's definitely aimed at the weekend warrior, the driveway detailer, the Father's Day presents, where you just don't know what to get him, but you may or may not be hinted that his car's a little bit filthy, that kind of thing. So, glass cleaner. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It's glass cleaner. We do include little instructions down here, you might not be able to see on camera, but that's where you can buy them. www.valetingsupplies.online, and it'll give you all the bottles I have here, have a little bit of an instruction on the back and a bit of do's and don'ts, just in case. You never know. So that's the glass cleaner, guys. Comes with a banging little trigger as well. These come on the 500ml bottles as well, these triggers. Really nice trigger. We have got the Jelly Bean shampoo. Bright green, as you can see there. Jelly Bean shampoo, you're going to have about 40 to 50ml of this in a 20litre bucket, and it's going to give you banging results. And that's not it. We've tested it in a lance. You're going to see this on videos to come. We've tested it in a lance, and we're also giving it the green light to put it through your snow foam lance. So you'll see what I do when I film that video. We'll have a play about with the ratios, because I've got all that to use and play around with to show you guys the best results out there. The next thing, Snow Foam Red. That's obviously not the final name. It's Snow Foam. pH neutral, good for cleaning your car. It doesn't go on the car red, so to answer that question, it goes on your car just like normal white Snow Foam. It's just red in the bottle. So pretty cool. Love Snow Foam. It's not really got a scent to it, but again, if we put loads of scents in things like that, it's not really aimed at the driveway detailer then, is it? It goes a bit higher. So, like I say, all aimed at people that wash the car once or twice a month. Anything like that really. They are fantastic products and great value for money. So, the next one on the list is spray wax. Spray wax. Again, you'll have a clean car when you apply wax. You're going to put it on a panel at a time with one cloth or applicator, and then you're going to buff it off with a second clean cloth. Go a panel at a time, and you can't go wrong. This smells amazing. I can't even describe to you what it smells like. It's quite a fruity smell. And we have pre-wash. This smells really strong, which is good. It's going to get all the. Make sure I got it right. Dirt, traffic film, bugs, anything like that, and you can also put it in your snow foam in your lance. Give your snow foam that extra little bit of chomp if you've got a particularly mucky car. And last but not least, this is going to give you that glossy finish on any clean car. That is your quick detailer. Smells like grape as well. Again, apply it a similar way to the wax. Spray it on, buff it off. Get that fantastic gloss. So they're the 6 products that I want to bring to you guys for now. So like I say, the link to these products will be found in the description. It is www.valentinsupplies.online. In the coming days, weeks, you'll find that I do a video on all of these products, showing you how to use them and the results of using them. So I'm going to do all the hard work for you guys. The only thing you need to do is decide what you want and how much of it, and we'll do the rest. So hopefully this has been a little informative little video, just showing you what I got, how it comes boxed, and we will get to using them and showing you guys the fantastic products that are on offer here at Grumpy Detailer. So for that, guys, thank you very much for tuning in and having a watch. Can't wait to see you again in the future. Any problems, any issues, any questions, anything like that, message me or put in the comments and I will always respond. So that being said, guys, enjoy the phenomenal weather that we have got behind us. Enjoy cleaning your cars, and I will catch you in the very, very near future. Take care, and I'll see you soon.